Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this ultra absorbent dog doormat. This is a 48 by 24 inch. Alright, so right here we have this absorbent front door mat. This one captures mud and moisture. It is comfortable and soft. This has a non-slip TPR backing, anti-slip, odorless, tear-resistant, reinforced edges. This one here is super easy to clean. It is machine washable. So this is pet friendly. It's extra thick. So I did purchase this for my son's guinea pigs because this one here is best for them, and the fact that this is really nice and soft and it's big enough for their cage. So their cage is about 47 or 48 by 24. So you can see that these have little fingers. It's got a really nice backing to the back. It doesn't slip or move. This one is 48 by 24 by 1 inch height. So this one here is super thick. It's really nice and soft. I like the fact that it is not movable. So I'm going to go ahead and unroll this and put it in my son's guinea pig cages and see how the guinea pigs adapt to this nice little rug. So right here we do have it inside the guinea pig cage. It looks really nice. You can see my son's guinea pig Honey right here. She's all sniffing it. She likes the feel of it. In fact, we've had this for over a week now and they just love it. It helps cut down the smell of urine, and these are super easy to clean. All you have to do is stick it in the washer, but I would recommend rinsing it out with a hose first and let it dry and then go ahead and stick it in there. That way your wash machine don't stink. But this is a really nice pad. If you're looking for a nice high absorbent pad for your dogs, guinea pigs, or any of your animals, I would highly recommend checking this one out.